Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade waffles. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder for that perfect rise. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavors. For the wet ingredients, prepare 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. These simple components are the foundation for truly delicious waffles. Now let's create our perfect waffle batter. Begin by combining all your dry ingredients in a large bowl, ensuring they are well mixed. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, and melted butter until smooth. Next, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. It's crucial not to overmix. A few small lumps are actually desirable, as overmixing can lead to tough waffles. This careful approach ensures a tender, fluffy result. It's time to cook those delicious waffles. First, preheat your waffle iron to a medium-high setting. Lightly grease the plates with cooking spray or a brush of oil to prevent sticking. Pour about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of batter onto the hot iron, depending on its size. Close the lid and cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the steam stops escaping and they are beautifully golden brown and crisp. This ensures a perfectly cooked waffle every time. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade waffles. Serve them immediately to savor their warmth and crispness. Classic toppings include rich maple syrup and a dollop of melting butter. Feel free to get creative with fresh berries, a swirl of whipped cream, or even chocolate chips. For a unique savory experience, consider pairing them with fried chicken or a perfectly cooked egg. Leftovers can be frozen and easily reheated in a toaster for a quick, delightful breakfast anytime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.